become part of an immersive ecosystem with Industry 5.0 clubs. These clubs let you work on cutting edge technologies like generative AI, autonomous vehicles, drones, and a lot more.
Bro,
It's a
results might
hands-on,
come in a minute.
innovation-driven environment where you're always experimenting
Oh,
with
hello,
new tools.
Einstein. How do you not care about marks? Do you know every year 2 million students attempt JEE and success rate 2%. Imagine the competition, man.
My J rank was 190. I got into IIT Bombay. Then in CAT, I scored 99.97 percentile. Everyone was happy. On paper, I was doing well. But there's always more than that, right?
And these marks matter. These marks are gonna decide if I can get into Ivy League college or not.
But it doesn't matter whether you come from a government school or some fancy college. Your skills, your real life experiences decide your career path.
I want to work for companies like Google, Microsoft, and I want to make my parents feel proud and these marks matter. I just need good results, that's it.
Then I met people who just scored basic marks in their school and college. But now, IIT graduates report to them. Do you think Elon Musk hires people with just good grades? He believes the path to CEO's office goes through engineering and design. Only a few do something that they are truly passionate about, something different. Not because of their marks, but their skill. That is when I focused on my passion. What mattered to me? Empowering students. Empowering students to build skills that would transform their careers.
My skills are flying this drone, not my marks.
I wonder how I let this one day, one exam decide my future.
Just focus on developing your skill.
Whether it takes you 3 months or 6 months to learn, no one cares. As long as you know that skill and you have the will to learn it, you'll be hired.
Marks or ranks are just pieces of the puzzle. The bigger picture is made only by adding your passion, skills, and
Real world experiences.